Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have this notebook that I really like, but it is so basic and plain that I wanted to decorate it. And I thought a good way to do that would be to use some of these things I had gotten off of Peachy Cheap. It has little bee washi and these cute little spring images, and this is a sticker sheet, and then I have these that are all double-sided and cute. So I thought that I would go ahead and decorate this album and I would bring you guys along. I also have this that I'm not sure if I want to use. I'm such a bad hoarder, but my friend Ann made these and sent them to me, and she sent me a whole box of these beautiful ribbon flowers, and I know I need to use them, but it's so hard. So I think I'm going to try to use one at least on the front of the album, but that probably won't be until the end, so I'm going to put that over there. And I am going to do this in fast forward because I don't know how long it's going to take, but I imagine it's going to take a little bit of time. So I'm going to do it. Oh, and I also have these paper pieces, and just kind of do it in fast forward and just kind of give you an idea of something that I'm using my cute papers from Peachy Cheap. So here we go. Okay, so I used a lot of the stuff. I didn't use it all. I still have I have almost all the stickers. And then I have this part of this paper and then this whole sheet. I'm not hoarding it. I just felt like I had used enough. And I also have all of these chipboard stickers. I didn't want to put anything on here that was raised because I'm going to be using this like a notebook, and I'm figuring that if it's raised it will be hard to write on. So I thought twice about that, and I'm decided that I'm not going to put chipboard stickers, and unfortunately I'm going to not use these. Fortunately, not unfortunately, a little of both. Because fortunately I can use them for something else and I get to hoard them a little longer. And unfortunately, because they are beautiful and I love them, but it's okay, not for this project. And I have a lot of washi left. And then I also have these eggs and the Happy Easter die cuts. I didn't want to use Easter specific on here. So here is how it turned out. I just, it has the plastic cover, of course. And then, it says, "Small blessings make life a joy." That kind of reminds me of like a baby album, but I'm hoping it just means like enjoy the little things, because that's what I'm thinking. And then I put my name here, and I have the little sun over here, and I put a little piece of cardstock there. And then on this side I just put, "I'm still wearing the smile you gave me." I think that's sweet. And then I just decorated some of the pages, not every page, and not even any rhyme nor reason on which pages I decorated, just kind of wherever I would put something. And I tried to not do 2 pages in a row, but there might be some that are. Oh, there's one that is. I just kind of haphazardly picked pages. And I'm going to use this as a little note journal for myself, so this will work out fine for me, and then I can have different sections if I need to. Little bunnies. Just trying to show you every page. And I only did this page because lots of times in notebooks, it depends on the notebook. Sometimes I'll only use one page to write in. I know it's wasteful and weird, but that's how I am sometimes. Wasteful and weird. This says happy. I love that little squirrel. Same one that was on the cover. This says you'll always be my bunny. Play. Some tweets. Some bumblebees. And this is the last tabbed section. It says be happy and just think spring. Splash. Little birdie. Some suns. Another little cute. And then I think that might be it. This one says I'm still wearing the smile you gave me. I had just cut it so it's cut a little short. And then there's some bunnies. And that is that. So there we go. Hope you guys like it. This is just a regular notebook I had gotten at a seminar for free, and I didn't use it all, so I took out the pages that I did use and put those where I needed them, and then I just saved the notebook. And yeah. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.